Hey guys, unfortunately, I have to tell you that I'm not a disciplined trader and that I'm actually not profitable. So today was the worst trading day I ever had. Not because of how I approach the markets, but just because of my psychology. So it's not a technical issue. It's just about myself. Um, I would have been able to request a payout tomorrow. And actually, today I lost all my profits I made the last 4 weeks. So basically, on my funded account. And yeah, I don't really know how what I should say. So uh, I feel embarrassed. I feel disappointed about myself. Um, and I'm also confused how I'm not really able to just step away from the markets and to accept basically a loss. Um, what I still want to mention is that lately we have the most difficult conditions in trading you could ever imagine. So it is really difficult. If I would have started with conditions we have right now, I would have not seen any land. So that I was even able to make basically profits within the last weeks is amazing to myself. So that's why I'm also really annoyed about today, because those profits were really earned well, basically, not with easy trading conditions, but also with kind of really disciplined trading. Actually, also here and there, definitely overtraded, which was always a weakness, or basically I had. So not being able to step away, but yeah, with really manipulative market conditions and also time distortion being in play, it is really difficult to be able to make profits within basically or with your first trade of the day. And yeah, it really amazes, I don't know, it's yeah, really insane how I actually just also almost lost my funded today. So was down so much, and I don't want to trade like this. So to me, that's not trading. What I did today, that's not even trading to me. That's not how I will be able to do trading basically as a living. um, yeah, I really have to think about that. um, Still, I'm glad that I did not lose my funded. Actually, I'm just basically break even. um, so yeah, I'm still able to basically get a payout, I don't know, the next month. But today really showed me that I just don't want it enough. So I really had the opportunity to get my first payout, and I just threw it basically out of the window. So yes, there is basically no excuse. I just could have not traded today. Um, there is no excuse. Even if, I don't know, some candles today were moving 90 to 100 points, but that's no excuse. We are able to say no, we don't trade today. We are able to do that. We don't need to trade every day, especially if I'm just one day away basically from my payout. Definitely, funded accounts are really trying to lay you stones in a way. I don't know if you can say that in English, but um, definitely want you to lose. So therefore, they only allow you to request a payout every I don't know, 2 weeks or so. And therefore, I was already waiting really long for this payout, and it was really stressful. And also the fact that I don't want to. Or basically, I want to have the mindset that reaching a profit target should not stop me from trading, that I still want to be able to follow my system, even if I'm able to request a payout, because I have to be able to, even if I lose today, that I'm still not losing too much. And that's why I should be able to trade today. That I'm also, if I lose, I still don't lose this much, that I'm still able to request a payout, that I'm just following my system, and that I will be able to request further payouts as well. So that's what my thinking process is behind that, why I even traded today, because I should be able to do that if I want to be a discipline and also a just to be able to make trading basically as a living. So that's my mindset behind that. I hope you get it. But yeah, I really don't know what I should. I yeah I lost my words basically. So um, um, it's just insane. I could cry basically. So one of the worst days, definitely my trading career. Um, and actually also because I'm journaling basically always my profits, and there were days before where I've blown, for example, because I was trading on paper before that, where I've blown, for example, my paper trading account, or where I've blown a funded account. But those days are really, really rare. But sometimes it just happens that I lose way too much, way too much. And I don't know why. So sometimes I really crash out, and those days are really costing me so much more time. So yeah, but it's just my own fault basically. So today I would have been able to, tomorrow I would have been able to request a payout, but yeah, fine. We are still not there. Basically, that's a sign that we still need to improve on, that we still need to learn more, that we are still not able to call us a disciplined trader, that we still need to improve way more. I mean, you see my executions. That's not good. Yeah, I really hope that I will be able to request a payout soon. I think um, I definitely have the skill set to do that. I'm definitely able to make money within the markets. It's just if I can step away from them, if I can accept losses, if I can accept making only less than a maybe expected to make. It's only psychology, so, and it's really difficult, I have to admit. Yeah, I don't really want to go into too deep into it because I also journaled it. But yeah, let's talk about today's trading day. So yeah, inside day to yesterday was insane, as you know. Also a reason not to trade today, because we have an inside trading day. We will not reach most likely any external liquidity to, but still, because we have such a huge range. I mean, look at that actually. I've never seen something like that before. So one minute candle 370 points, the other one 240 points. So that's insane volatility. That's something you can't even imagine. So what I basically wanted to see today, so we had really clean session liquidity. New London liquidity, no, London liquidity above here. New York open kill zone, buy sell liquidity also equal highs right here. Also always trail stops, really trail stops. But what we also do have is the fact that we still have the new day opening gap from basically Monday or Sunday, and we only traded back to the upper quadrant, and we were definitely bearish. In here we had only time distortion, getting stopped back and forth. I don't know what I'm trading there actually. So we already have S&T. So today is a not trading day. Please don't think that you should trade today. I'm just breaking down what I traded today, but definitely no trading day today. Um, I mean, also candles like that right here, 94 handles in 1 minute. That's way too much. That's high volatility. We don't want to be in such difficult conditions. That's why I also really over traded, because I lost way too much within only a few trades, and that really messed with me. But still, yeah, I was also in a long right here, and really anticipated that we would trade higher. Did not take any partials, because I'm only, right here I'm basically gambling my account, so nothing to be proud of. And eventually, yeah, one last move to the downside. I would have never imagined that we would not be able to trade higher, that we would not be able to sweep those, especially that we don't do not sweep the New York Open Kills and buy liquidity is insane to me. It's just because we have SMT being in play. That's the fact. That's why we failed to do that. But in that case, I want to see that NQ is just slower and also finally trades higher. So that these SMTs right here are basically staying intact, to me is insane. To leave so much spicy liquidity when we have already done basically damage to the sell side. I know we are overextended, but yeah, that's just really difficult. We just have no buys at all. On the hourly, just trading back and forth with huge wick to the upside and downside. And I think that's basically it. I don't want to go into what I thought even in here, because I don't want to trade like this, so therefore I don't really want to give it too much attention. Still, what I learned today is don't trade against a 5-minute condition if we do not have a ATM model. Why? Because as you see right here, we are trading below it here and there. On the 1-minute chart definitely, but on the 5-minute chart you see we never closed inside or below the 5-minute gap, 5-minute fair value gap. Therefore, we are still bullish and not bearish in here, and we should only think about shorts if we basically inverse the fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. And still SMTs should be a partial, should close your position. That's basically it. And so I don't know why I traded today. I don't know why I could not stop trading today. I don't understand, because I don't really feel that. So I would say that I want it enough, but why I'm still not able to step away, I don't know. Maybe it's just a mistake I have to make in my lifetime. I don't know if that's something I need to improve. If it's basically a life lesson I have to learn to get basically back up from something like today is so painful, is so energy drawing. My English is so bad. Is really just insane. So I even thought about quitting trading, and that's insane if you think about it, because I've come such a long way. I'm basically now trading almost, I think, 3 years only ICT, and so not 2.5, I think, only ICT. So with 2026 my 3rd year began, and I've come this far. I was able to request a payout, and I think I definitely know I have the skill set. I know how price moves. It's just that I'm still not really there with my mindset yet where I want to be, and I really have to improve on. I should not treat trading like gambling. It has to be treated like a business. I have to accept that. I have to accept the fact that I want to make money quick, but trading is not something where you make money quick. Mm-mm. And yeah, I will definitely rewatch this video right here when I will get my first payout, and I hope that until then it's not too long. Um, yeah, I really hope that I will be able to trade more disciplined, that I will trade less, that I will take less losses. Um, and just that trading feels more safe as well, because if we do not feel safe, we know we are over leveraging or over trading. So we're definitely doing something wrong if we do not feel safe. I definitely do not feel safe right now. So um, yeah, I've lost it all. I made the last 4 weeks. I thought about quitting trading basically once or twice a day. It was definitely the hardest and I don't know the worst trading day. I'm just I'm just disappointed, I think, about myself. So I'm really irritated. I'm really confused. I hope um, that I can still continue trading discipline from here and that I will get my payout soon because I think I earn it. I've done a lot for it already. Um, but yeah, I have to get better also in recognizing conditions I don't want to trade. If we have a as AM session, I don't trade. Only trade AM session. Don't trade. Yeah, lunch is okay, but don't trade PM or anything else. Just focus on what we know, on what we can do, and we will get there. Um, and hopefully I can proud of myself soon. Um, but yeah, I hope we will do it and enjoy your life. It's really, it's not, it will not always be there. We will not always be there. So really use your time and spend much time with your loved ones. And yeah, enjoy living. Corny ass video, but yeah, so that's basically it. See you soon.